Hey guys, we're going to be working on counting objects. This will be up to 10 objects in this video. And we're going to answer how many. Let's count how many flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many flowers? 5 flowers. Good job. How many bugs? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many bugs? 9 bugs. How many trees do we have? 1, 2. How many? 2. How many sunshines? Ready? 1. How many sunshines? 1 sunshine. How many birds? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many birds do we have? 6 birds. Ready? We're going to count the raindrops. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many raindrops? 4 raindrops. How many rainbows? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 rainbows. How many butterflies? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 butterflies. How many bunny rabbits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 bunny rabbits. How many bumblebees? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bumblebees. Thanks so much. I hope you enjoyed this spring counting video. More will be posted soon.